pretty average fish. Not a lot of fish, but it's good in the game. Hooked up right away. It's a small fish. Get him away from that light. Those other fish, hopefully we'll keep that spot active. If we're real quiet, we'll keep it down. Get him way away from that light. Do that. That way I can come right back up to that light and fish. This is a small one. He's coming out this way. He's got to be small. Got him out the middle of the weight down. So he's good. He's not too small. He's probably 10 or 12 pounds. 10 pounds. Well, like 6 or 8. Let him off at the boat just so I can go back at these right here. Alright guys, we're pulling up to one. You gotta throw in between these cables on this dock. Kind of complicates things. As you can see, still using that 3/4 ounce bucktail with a sushi shaft. Had a fish just pull right there. I hold this cable, push my boat off, and where I can stay close to it so I can get my rod back underneath it so I can get this fish out of here. Got him. Got him. It's a small one. Just had to read the cable thing. Big. He's small. It would have not come that easy if that was a bigger one. That fish came perfect in that corner. He went right to the boat. First cast, right up to that wire. Nice striper. Alright guys, we're pulling up to a light. Sits about 3 feet off the water, a little orange light. Not real bright, but it's not the brightness of the light that counts. There's been some stripe here. caught one here earlier tonight, but it was smaller. Perfect cast. He's on. He's coming up this way. That did take long. It's got a little chilly over the last couple hours. Still, these aren't big fish. They're rather light today. It's an average fish. Nice fish. Yeah. Ooh, I got duck written all over this fish. And I can feel him on the dock already. I'm just barely touching him, having him come back around this way. He's gonna kill it around that dock. He cut my line. I'm gonna give him slack right now. He's on the line.